It's Friday, August 13th, 2021, and you're watching the Paper Call Report, brought to you by OfferVault, the largest affiliate offer directory in the universe. First, we have our top categories. Home services absolutely dominated the top categories list this week, claiming first place by a long shot. Insurance overtook legal for second place. Personal insurance and financial services went head to head again this week, but personal insurance came out on top in fourth, and financial services claimed fifth place. Now it's time for our top offers. Aragon Advertising shot to the top of our top offers list this week with its IRS tax debt relief campaign, claiming the #1 spot. Live Calls Network came in second but gave Aragon Advertising a run for its money. Addiction Marketing Specialists kept up with the top two leading offers, holding third place. Envious Media and Paolo went head-to-head this week with their vehicle-related offers, but Envious Media claimed fourth and Paolo claimed fifth. For direct links to the OfferVault campaigns, verticals, and so much more, check out the Ringba blog for all the details. A link will be available in the comments below. Now it's time for our top networks. Hyper-target marketing took back first place this week, leaving LeadSmart in second. Market Call climbed up to third, but still trails behind the top two leading networks. Aragon Advertising claimed fourth, and eLocal took fifth place this week. This week, 3 of the top 5 pay-per-call networks are Ringba customers. We'd like to thank our friends over at OfferVault for providing us with up-to-the-minute market data, as well as helping us analyze the latest changes in the pay-per-call industry. Now it's time for our pay-per-call trends. For more market insights, we turn to our industry expert, Stephen Luthy, Director of Business Development for Credit Pros. Stephen, what are the metrics you look for when assessing the quality of publisher-driven calls?
We know that a sale is going to take at least 20 minutes when speaking to one of our potential clients when they come over. So looking at, using Ringba as the system that we use, we're looking for calls over 20 minutes. Anything under that, we know most likely was not long enough for them to become a sale or one of our clients here at the Credit Pros. We are looking for people that are interested in actually speaking to us. We are looking at our CPA. We have a certain CPA that we know we need to back into. So we have 2 different models mostly that we work with our partners. The one mostly is on the CPA on a per sale, where we're going to be paying our partners when they sign up to our service with a credit card, and they pay for the first month of service, and then we're paying our affiliates. And the other is on a per duration, which is usually 120 seconds. And so we're looking to see on the per duration, if we are paying on the duration, if we're backing into our CPA and where we need to be. And the CPA that we're giving out to our partners is basically up where the top of line of CPA where we need to be. So we understand that they have a little more, skin in the game on the CPA, and they have to show their worth and prove their worth. But I think we have a generous payout for that. So that's where those are the main metrics that we are looking at.
Thanks, Stephen. Now it's time for our pay-per-call opportunities. Elite Calls is seeking seasoned search publishers for their internal pay-per-call campaigns. Their verticals include inbound calls for Medicare, health insurance, and moving inbounds. Now, if you're interested, reach out to your Ringba representative or send an email to sales@ringba.com for more details. Now it's time for our pay-per-call careers. The Ringba team is rapidly expanding, and we're looking to hire Vue user experience developers and senior .NET engineers. If you're interested in joining our innovative and client-oriented team, we'd love to hear from you. Send your email with a resume attached to sales@ringba.com to learn more. Thank you for watching this week's episode of the Paper Call Report. Be sure to tune in every Friday afternoon to stay on top of changes in the industry. If you're a Ringba customer and would like to be featured on the show, please contact your representative for more information. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per-call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per-call, visit www.ringba.com.